Come and follow the path. Hi! So today I'm doing I'm not doing an event today. I'm taking some of my art pieces to put up in doing like a gallery wall with the local arts council. So I'm taking a few pieces in there. I'm a little bit nervous. I always get nervous before doing things like this, but I'm sure I'll be fine once I'm in, maybe, hopefully. Let me know if you get nervous about stuff like this too, because I do. I'm kind of sitting in the car talking to you instead of going in, procrastinating a little, I guess. But it's at the local golf course, and I should show you how amazing it is outside. I'm going to turn this around. Take a look at, I don't know if you can see through the rain. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Somebody's just pulled up next to you now, looking away, pretending I'm not talking to a camera. It's like a weirdo.
It's inside the frame on the right hand side.
So I couldn't really film that much in there. I'll probably film some more when it's the show. I'm going there on Saturday. It's now Thursday. So I'm going there on Saturday night. So hopefully I'll get a chance to film in there. It was really fun actually. It was really nice. And I saw a few people there that I haven't seen for a long time. So that was nice. And I'm looking forward to it. Oh, my car just locked. And now I'm gonna go and collect my kiddies because they've been hanging out with my sister while I went and did that for an hour. So I'm gonna go have a cup of tea with my sister. Sorry for the wet hair. I didn't even say that. Crazy girly hair. It's 5:30 on Friday night, and I just kind of wanted to talk to you about this because I've been having a bit of a day today, and one of the reasons why I wanted to start this YouTube channel is so that I can document my process and journey with art. Yesterday was really great because I got to see other artists and I got to see like the space, and I could see how other people have like their styles come together, and it was all super great. But it did make me kind of not realise, because I feel like I already struggle with this and it comes up every now and then for me, and maybe you can relate a little bit. I brought about 10 pieces with me, and they were like, oh, which ones do you want? Which ones would you like to put up? And I was like, oh, I don't know. Well, and they were like, well, which ones do you like best? And I was like, I don't know. I don't know which I like best because I like them all in different ways. And that's kind of what I wanted to muse. That's what I've been musing about, and what I wanted to talk to you about is I'm really struggling with this at the moment, but this isn't new for me. This is like a lifelong journey that I've had with art, a lifelong quandary. I feel like when I draw something and when I paint something, and the lady that was organizing it as well, she said the same thing. She was like, oh, I can see your hand in the brushwork. I can see that like it's the same person that made these, but they're so different. Like some of them were like portraits in oil paint. Some of them are the animal ink drawings that I did during Inktober, which I didn't think that I would fall in love with doing that, but I did. And then I also took some like more loose landscapes that don't take me very long to paint, more inspired by the area. But then really I think it just comes down to like, what do I like and what do I like to paint? And my trouble is that I like to paint lots of different things. The thought of like only ever drawing landscapes or only ever drawing portraits or only ever drawing animals and like that being it and sticking to one medium, it kind of like scares me. I feel like it would limit me somehow. And I like learning new things, so I'm always trying new things. Everybody says like, you know, you need to like have a specialization in something so that you can like identify, if you're running a business in that's art related, you have to like identify what your style is and what you like, and like your taste comes across. And I think my taste comes across, but yeah, I don't have a resolution to this conversation. I just kind of, like I say, I would create this channel so that I could create like almost like a journal of like what I'm experiencing, because I don't really get short of ideas of what to paint, but I struggle with too many, or thinking, well, if I'm going to sit down to draw this, how do I know it's going to be worth my time? Because my time is limited, which everybody's time is limited, and it's part of like me. I'm not practicing what I preach, which is art for the sake of making art because it's so nice and good for you and healthy mentally, spiritually, emotionally to make art. I don't know. Do you ever feel like this? Please let me know if you do. I guess I just hear other people talking on like other YouTubers and stuff, how they find their style, and that it's a case of just making lots of artwork. But I feel like I have made lots of artwork, and it's my birthday tomorrow, 34. So I've been painting for like a fair few years now, high school onwards, with patches here, there and everywhere until I went to university. And then since university, I've pretty much made art either for myself or for, you know, other people, doing commissions and stuff. I've done that for long enough now that I feel like I have a style, but I don't know which way to go. I feel like I'm kind of in a crossroads with it, and like it's an important decision, but maybe I'm just putting too much importance on it. I don't know. I'm really blabbering on about this, but yeah. Just wanted to let you know where I'm at. Please let me know if you can relate to that too, because I don't hear many people talking about that particular side of it. So it'd be nice to know that I'm not on my own with it if you do feel like that. I think now, to kind of shake off the funk of the day, because it's like gone 5:30 now and I haven't made any art today, and the kiddies are with dad and I've had the whole day, and I've been sitting around thinking instead of actually making, which is the one thing that's probably gonna bust me out the mood that I'm in. So it's now a couple of hours later. Yeah, it just took me a while to sketch that out, and then I put like the base of skin tone on that picture, and I just feel way better. I feel way better because I just let myself get into the flow of making art, and that's what it's about, right? So yeah, I'm glad I chose to do that because I really want to finish that actually, and now I feel a little bit of fire in my belly to get it done. I'm gonna have to break off now because I have to meet with my Creative Spirit Circle members for tonight, so that'll be nice. I think I need to eat some dinner after that. I had a little snack and a few cups of tea in between layers of paint, but yeah, it just felt really good to just get the watercolors out. And if you're interested in what I was using, these Viviva, you might have seen these around. They sent these to me, which was nice. This isn't sponsored or anything. They just sent them to me. So I've been using these more and more because I really like the colours. They're really vibrant colours. And yeah, they're really nice. And they're handy too. Handy if you want to like take your art out. Like if you, I like keep these, they sent me two and I keep the other one in my bag. So they're really nice for like doing watercolour on the go. And Gracie's here. Gracie dog. Sniffing around. Yeah, I think I might stop filming for tonight because I've just got that meeting, and then I will see you tomorrow on my birthday, and I will hopefully manage to film a little bit tomorrow night too because I'm going to that that art show, so that should be really fun. The art show day. Are you taking a video? Yeah. I think it's Stone Cold Sickening. That's great. What? I need to be vlogging. So these are all the artworks at the show. I said I was going to show you guys, but this is the room. Pretty fun. What do you think, Jave?
What do I think?
Yeah.
I think it's awesome. So many local artists out here, you know, showing us their brushstrokes.
So it's gone midnight now, and I'm back from the art show. It was so much fun. I'm super tired. Today was my birthday, and I had a really great time with my sisters and my mum, and we just had such a good time. But now I'm very tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. I couldn't film too much, but I did film a little bit, so hopefully you like watching that.